Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna show you how to solve HTML5 file not found error problem. So in this case you have to just open it Chrome browser, then click on top right corner three dot icon, then go to settings, now go privacy and security, this one, click on clear browsing data. Okay, now select what you want to delete, click on clear data. I'm just showing you, that's why I'm not doing, because I don't have any problem with that. But if you're facing this issue, then just clear data, make sure clear data. After clearing data, then you'll find here advanced, click on advanced, and you should also check what you want to delete. Check these things, but not password and other data. Site settings you can check, host, this one, just then click on clear data. Okay, make sure once done clear data, now you have to go to update Chrome browser. So how you can update this, go this three dot icon again, then go find help, then click on the first about Google Chrome. You can see this, your Chrome is up to date, but if there is any update, there will be here, then you have to update from here, just click on. Now the second thing is you need to check the system to use hardware acceleration off. So how you can off this, just go here previous, and you'll find here system, this one, click on this, and then you'll find here use hardware acceleration when available, which is turned off. Okay, if this turned off on, make sure it's turned off. After, make sure disable it, restart your computer, and let's check the result. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.